Say hi guys! Welcome to our vlog!
Hi daw, guys.
We're going to ride a airplane! With my baon! So, nag-check-in kami sa Cebu Pacific. Hindi ko na siya na-videohan kasi sobrang hassle. Sabi, sa kiosk daw kami, tapos hindi nagpiprint yung boarding pass. Tapos, pinapila kami dito sa counter na to. Sabay, hindi daw kami doon. Dapat daw sa another counter pa. Na may kasama kaming baby. May kasama kaming naka-scooter. So, sobrang hassle. Well, dati kong airline yan. Yun lang. Buti na lang. Good girl si Ria.
Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Sobrang behave niya. So, sana okay siya sa flight.
Where's your hand?
Ria, what are you eating? Banana. How about you, Kuya Mochi? What are you eating? French fries versus banana. How about you? Your turn. Huwag din nagalitin.
Papa is yours na. Mine, opo. Kiss mo si Papa doon. Kiss mo si Papa. Oh, kiss na, Papa. Ma, sarap naman ang kiss. Hi, guys.
Ria is so behave.
Ria is riding
Airplane.
airplane. Sabi, can you say hi, vlog? Wow!
Welcome to our vlog.
Sabi, welcome to Japan!
Hi guys. We've arrived. Come on, let's take a photo. Come here. Hold hands. So my goal is to take as many photos and videos of this trip.
There's a big airplane! Wow!
Do you want to take a picture with the airplane?
What picture?
The OA, and the nonchalant. Let's go! Oh, diba? OA. Hanggang sa Japan, nakapaa siya.
Carry ka na lang niya, no?
Good na.
Ay, excuse me. Ikaw na lang. Okay, si Mochi na nakikarry ko.
Oh, barefoot.
Mochi na nakikarry ko.
Is it yummy?
Yummy! Nice! It's your first time eating like this, huh?
Fish bread?
Oh, picture mo nga kami. Hindi na ate mo sa atin. Wala, balik ka dito. Dali.
We are going to Ueno Zoo. Pero kailangan holding hands daw sila while naka-stroller. So, baka makarating tayo doon. Ano na? Pasara na yung zoo. Grabe! Clingy magpinsan.
Nakaangat. Wow! Ah, fix ni Papa. Fix. Fix ni Papa. Yummy ba?
So pretty! Ueno Park. With Ria and Papa. And Mochi is still eating his banana. Huh? Napagod ako na.
Napagod ka?
Mainit na.
Ako kaya.
Dami stairs eh, no?
Downstairs.
Ang ganda ng view.
Hi guys.
Ayun. Masaya naman si Ria. She's so happy. Let's go. There's Ueno Zoo. Ueno Zoo. Yay! Let's go! Let's go! So, pupunta kami doon sa part na yon para mag-check ng mga animals. Pero literally, yun yung entrance. Sobrang lawak. Sobrang lawak ng zoo. Yan, so, let's go!
Let's go! Hi vlog! Hi vlog!
Let's go!
Hi guys! Hi guys!
Wow! Hindi ko alam eh. Lemur?
Looking on this.
Going to see crocodile.
Hello? Hello? Pwede dito siya.
We are inside the vivarium. So we're gonna look for Go touch it. Very good.
Oh. Excuse me. Go, go.
Sarap buhay, no?
Hi ka.
Hi.
Bebe. Sit down, bebe. Sit down ba kayo? Sit down, sit down. Bebe.
They are enjoying the frog.
Tawa ka sa kalakal. Oh, bebe? Akbay mo si Kuya Mochi. Akbay mo. Akbay. Oh, Kuya Mochi. Oh.
It's a giant one. nag-enjoy yung dalawang bata. Yung dalawang tatay.
Pagod.
Pagod na.
Uy, yan yung fish. Oh! Yes, say hi. Yes, say hi. Oh! Hi, hi ka daw, hi. Hi, Pee. Wow! Go, go!
It's a flamingo. Ria, you say hi. Hi. Oh, yung little one mo nandyan na. Oh. Sit beside Papa.
Oh, wait. Beside Papa.
Why?